In a peaceful jungle, there was a big river that all the animals used for drinking water. But one summer, the river started to dry up, and only a small pond was left. The animals knew they had to do something before the water was completely gone. The wise old elephant, Kavi, called a meeting. "We must dig a new waterhole," he said. "If we work together, we can save our home." The animals agreed. The strong elephants started digging with their trunks. The clever monkeys brought buckets to carry water from far away. The tiny ants carried small stones to help build the edges of the pond. Even the lazy crocodile decided to help by clearing the mud. At first, things didn't go smoothly. The monkeys argued about where to put the water, and the rabbits were afraid to get dirty. But Kavi reminded them, "If we don't work together, we will all suffer." Listening to Kavi's advice, the animals stopped arguing and worked as a team. Day and night, they dug and carried water. Soon, their hard work paid off. A new waterhole was ready, filled with fresh water. The jungle was saved. The animals cheered and celebrated. The monkeys, rabbits, elephants, birds, and even the crocodile realized that teamwork made them stronger. From that day on, whenever there was a problem in the jungle, the animals worked together. They had learned an important lesson. Alone, we are weak, but together, we are unstoppable. Morale: teamwork makes the impossible possible. When we work together, we achieve more.